Hello guys, welcome to my channel Teach Something, and in this video tutorial I will gonna show you how to fix a WhatsApp image not showing in gallery of Android device. So how can fix this type of error? Let's get started. Before starting of the video, I humbly request you please subscribe my YouTube channel for more updates. So let's start. Okay guys, generally when you receive an image or any media file in WhatsApp application, then it should be automatically download, and you should see it in your mobile gallery. If your Android device if it is not happening, then what to do with that? So let's see start this. First of all, open a WhatsApp. After opening that, click on these three dots, click on it and go to your settings of your WhatsApps. So after doing this set, go to your storage and data, and after doing this set, now you can see data when using mobile data. Then when you click on it, now you can see data is only for selected photos. Make sure that all these enables audio, video and documents on your mobile data. So okay button, and now Wi-Fi. Now all these enable it, photos, video and document. Now when roaming, so select it and make sure that all these photos, audios, videos and documents must be selected. And after doing this, step back, and after that go to your chat section. After doing this set, after going your chat setting, make sure that media visibility, show newly download media in your phone gallery, make sure that it is enabled. So after doing this chat, back it, and I'm sure that after doing this chat, your problem is fixed. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe my YouTube channel.